Is it time to buy or sell JOBY Aviation stock? In this video, we are diving deep into JOBY Aviation. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 3rd of October, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 19th of September, 2025, our system has ranked JOBY Aviation as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 5.48. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 10.13% since we first listed JOBY Aviation as a buy candidate 11 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.92% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently fluctuating within a broad and horizontal trend, and we can anticipate further movements within this range. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 0.673% over the next 3 months, with a possible return varying between negative 40.47% and positive 12.93%. Extending our view to the long term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of 87.39%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 6.83% to 127.58% over the coming year. In current terms, this would translate to a future price falling somewhere between $19.51 and $41.56. Our latest daily update for JOBY Aviation features the headline, Green Day on Friday for JOBY Aviation. On the last trading day, which was Friday, the 3rd of October, 2025, the JOBY Aviation stock price increased by 2.58%, moving from $17.80 to $18.26. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to observe whether this upward trend continues or if the stock takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 5.93%, with a low of $17.55 and a high of $18.59. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen 6 times and has increased by 10.13% over the last 2 weeks. Trading volume declined on the last day by 4 million shares, totaling 36 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $653.69 million. It is important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $20.95, while the lowest was $4.80. Currently, the price is 12.84% or $2.69, below the 52-week high of $20.95, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. JOBY has achieved a significant milestone by conducting a public flight demonstration of its electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle at Expo 2025 in Osaka in collaboration with partner ANA. This demonstration showcased vertical takeoff, wing-borne transition, and vertical landing, an essential proof point that investors are looking for. Alongside this, the company has updated its certification timeline, with test flights planned for the year 2025 and a target for type approval in the year 2026. JOBY is also making visible strides in commercial efforts, including the acquisition of Blade, integration with Uber bookings, and partnerships with companies like Toyota and others. Financially, JOBY reports approximately $1.24 billion in combined cash and support, providing a runway of about 2 years, which alleviates immediate liquidity concerns, although the risk of dilution remains if timelines are delayed. In the short term, expect continued volatility in the stock market. Successful demonstrations, appearances at air shows, and progress towards Federal Aviation Administration milestones should generate interest and potential rallies among investors. Conversely, any delays in certification, setbacks in testing, or discussions about raising capital may lead to sharp declines in stock value. Looking ahead, if JOBY successfully converts certification into scalable operations and effectively utilizes its partnerships with Blade, Uber, and Toyota for distribution, it could capture a significant portion of a multi-billion-dollar electric vertical takeoff and landing market, thereby significantly increasing its stock value. Execution and timing will be crucial in determining the company's success. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 12th of June, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned JOBY a neutral rating, accompanied by a downgrade action. On Monday, the 9th of June, 2025, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright awarded JOBY a buy rating, along with a hold action. On Monday, the 5th of May, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald gave JOBY an overweight rating, coupled with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Canaccord Genuity rated JOBY as a buy alongside a hold action. On Wednesday, the 2nd of October, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright issued a buy rating for JOBY with a hold action. Analysts have assigned JOBY Aviation stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio and price-to-book value, both receiving a strong sell assessment. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for JOBY Aviation. The JOBY Aviation stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average exceeding the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at $16.63 and $14.95. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Interestingly, trading volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices rose. This divergence between volume and price may serve as an early warning. Therefore, close monitoring of the stock is advisable. Some negative signals have also been generated, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, August 4, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 10.45%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal, recorded 44 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, noted 11 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal, observed 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, identified 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 9 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal, recognized 15 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, established 91 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal, noted 88 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for JOBY Aviation. JOBY Aviation finds support from accumulated volume at $17.72. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. The stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility, and due to a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved $1.04 between its high and low, or 5.93%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 7.52%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for JOBY Aviation, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. It is not uncommon for even well-established companies to face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of November, 2025. Analysts currently estimate earnings at negative $0.18. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for JOBY Aviation. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for JOBY Aviation is at $18.93. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, JOBY Aviation encounters its first support level at $17.72. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for JOBY Aviation from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 22nd of September 2025, Bowles Gregory conducted an insider purchase of 12,900 shares of common stock. On the same day, Bowles Gregory also executed an insider sale of 12,900 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 22nd of September 2025, Bowles Gregory sold 12,900 shares of stock options. On that same day, DeHoff Kate conducted an insider sale of 52,907 shares of common stock. Earlier, on the 14th of September 2025, Papadopoulos Didier purchased 11,641 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 59.285. Overall, insiders bought 4,518,418 shares and sold 18,267,695 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $17.35, reflecting a decline of 4.98%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a higher level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 76, further amplifying this risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top that was identified 43 days ago. Is JOBY Aviation stock a good buy? JOBY Aviation presents several positive indicators and is regarded as a favorable option at its current price levels. We anticipate that JOBY Aviation stock will perform well in the short term. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 6th of October, we predict that JOBY Aviation will open lower by approximately 12.7 cents and begin trading at $18.13. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.